Most people think YouTube fails them because they didn't get lucky. They uploaded. They waited. And nothing happened. But here's the truth most creators never hear. YouTube didn't ignore your video. It simply didn't know who it was for. And if YouTube doesn't understand your audience, it cannot recommend you, no matter how good your content is. This is where almost every beginner gets it wrong. They believe YouTube is a platform that promotes videos. In reality, YouTube is a classification system. Before it decides whether your video deserves views, it asks one question first. Who should I show this to? Not, is this video good? Not, does this creator deserve growth? Just one thing, who is this for? And the scary part is this. Most channels never answer that question clearly. They upload different topics, different styles, different messages. So YouTube receives mixed signals. And when the system is confused, it does the safest thing possible. It stops pushing your content. In this video, I'm going to break down, in beginner language, how YouTube actually learns your audience, how it decides who sees your videos, and why small channels don't need luck, they need clarity. Once you understand this, YouTube stops feeling random and starts feeling predictable. 1. YouTube is not a video platform. Most beginners think YouTube works like this. You upload a video, and if it's good enough, YouTube promotes it. That's not how it works. YouTube is not a video platform. It's not even a social media platform. YouTube is a recommendation system. Its entire job is to match the right video to the right viewer at the right time. Every time someone opens YouTube, the platform is under pressure. If it shows the wrong video, the viewer leaves. If the viewer leaves, YouTube loses money. So YouTube does not care about creators first. It cares about viewer satisfaction first. That's why when you upload a video, YouTube doesn't immediately push it to thousands of people. Instead, it quietly asks, who is most likely to enjoy this? At the beginning, YouTube has no idea. So it runs small tests. It shows your video to a tiny group of people and watches closely. Do they click? Do they stay? Do they keep watching YouTube after? Notice something important here. YouTube is not judging your effort. It's judging viewer behavior. This is why small channels feel invisible. It's not because you're new. It's because the system doesn't have enough clear data yet. And here's the key mistake most beginners make. They upload videos that attract different types of people every time. One video teaches. One video motivates. One video is random. So YouTube can't form a pattern. No pattern means no audience profile. No audience profile means no recommendations. Before YouTube can grow your channel, it must first understand your channel. And understanding always comes before growth. 2. How YouTube learns your audience. YouTube does not magically know who your videos are for. It learns. And it learns the same way a human would, through patterns. When you upload a video, YouTube does not start by pushing it to everyone. It starts small. It shows your video to a tiny test group of viewers and watches what happens next. Not for minutes. Not for days. Sometimes within hours. The system is tracking 3 things at the same time. Who clicked? How long they stayed? What they did after the video ended. If the same type of viewer keeps responding well, YouTube starts connecting the dots. It thinks, people who watch this kind of content also enjoy this creator. That's how an audience profile begins to form. But here's the part most creators don't realize. YouTube does not learn from one video. It learns from consistency across multiple videos. Every upload is a data point. When your videos share the same topic, the same promise, and the same viewer intent, the data stacks. It means if you have one video that keeps viewers watching, keep making videos with that same vibe. Because of that, YouTube gets more confident. And confidence is everything in recommendations. But when each video sends a different signal, YouTube can't build that confidence. It sees different viewers clicking, different watch patterns, different outcomes. So instead of scaling, the system pauses. This is why many channels feel stuck at low views. Not because the content is bad, but because the data is unclear. Clarity tells YouTube, this channel serves this type of person. Confusion tells YouTube, I'm not sure who this is for. And YouTube never pushes content it's unsure about. The moment your channel becomes predictable to the system, it becomes scalable. Understanding this is what separates creators who grow slowly from creators who never grow at all. 3. The signals YouTube actually trusts, SEO explained simply. When people hear YouTube SEO, they think keywords, tags, and descriptions. Those matter, but not in the way most beginners believe. YouTube does not rank videos by keywords first. It uses keywords to understand context, not to decide success. Think of SEO as labels. Your title, description, and tags tell YouTube what your video is about. But viewer behavior tells YouTube whether it's worth recommending. This is where many creators get confused. You can have perfect SEO, but if viewers don't click or don't stay, YouTube stops testing the video. The system looks at 4 main signals together. First, click behavior. Your title and thumbnail don't rank you, they earn you a chance. If people don't click when your video is shown, the test ends early. Second, watch time and retention. YouTube measures how long people stay and how consistently they watch. A shorter video with strong retention can outperform a longer one with drop-offs. Third, session impact. If viewers continue watching YouTube after your video, the system rewards that. You're not just judged on your video, you're judged on what happens after it. Fourth, topic consistency across uploads. This is the most overlooked signal. When multiple videos point to the same topic and audience, YouTube becomes confident in who to recommend you to. SEO helps YouTube classify your content. Behavior helps YouTube scale your content. Without SEO, the system guesses. Without behavior, the system stops. When both align, growth becomes mechanical. This is why random keywords, trending titles, and copied tags don't work long-term. YouTube isn't looking for tricks. It's looking for clear signals it can trust. And the clearer those signals are, the harder it is for your channel to stay small. 4. How to send clear signals to YouTube, practical setup tips. Understanding how YouTube works is useless if your channel setup sends mixed signals. YouTube reads your channel before it reads your videos. The first thing the system looks at is topic alignment. Your channel name, description, and recent uploads should all point to the same promise. Not similar. Not kind of related. The same. If your channel description says education, but your videos jump between motivation, trends, and random ideas, YouTube doesn't know how to classify you. Next is metadata alignment. Your title, description, and spoken words inside the video should match. This matters more than tags. YouTube automatically scans your audio and captions. If your title says one thing but your video talks about something else, that's a weak signal. A simple rule. Title explains the problem. Description explains the solution. Video delivers exactly that. Another overlooked technical factor is upload behavior. You don't need daily uploads, you need predictable uploads. When your content appears regularly, YouTube has cleaner data windows to test and compare performance. Even once a week is enough if it's consistent. Also, avoid changing your niche early. Every niche switch resets learning. It's like training YouTube to understand one audience, then suddenly speaking a different language. Lastly, pay attention to first 30 seconds retention. If viewers leave early, YouTube assumes the classification was wrong. That doesn't just hurt the video, it hurts how the system understands your channel. Clear topic. Clear promise. Clear delivery. That's how you turn YouTube from guessing into recommending. 5. Turning understanding into growth, optimization and feedback loop. At this point, YouTube already knows one thing about your channel. Whether you are consistent or random, growth doesn't come from uploading more. It comes from tightening the feedback loop between what you publish and how viewers respond. The most important technical habit to build is post-upload analysis. After every video, check 3 metrics only: click-through rate, average view duration, first 30-second retention. Ignore everything else. If your click-through rate is low, the problem is not YouTube, it's your title or thumbnail. If people click but leave early, the problem is your opening. If retention is strong but views are low, YouTube is still testing and needs more consistent data. Another critical signal is content repetition. Repeating formats is not laziness, it's optimization. When you repeat structure, pacing, and topic angle, YouTube can compare performance accurately. That makes learning faster. This is why successful channels look boring on the surface. They aren't experimenting randomly, they're refining systematically. Also, resist the urge to delete underperforming videos. Low-view videos are still data. Deleting them removes learning signals the system already collected about your audience. Finally, understand this. YouTube does not reward effort. It rewards clarity and reliability. When your channel consistently delivers the same value to the same type of viewer, YouTube stops treating you like a risk and starts treating you like a solution. That's when growth stops feeling slow and starts feeling inevitable. If you've watched this far, here's what that tells me. You're not here for shortcuts. You're here to understand how this actually works. And that already puts you ahead of most creators. YouTube growth isn't about posting more, guessing better, or hoping something goes viral. It's about building clarity, for the system and for yourself. Most people quit because they never understand why things happen. They upload, get confused by the numbers, and slowly lose motivation. This channel exists to remove that confusion. Every video here is built to help you think clearer, upload smarter, and grow correctly, not quickly. So if you want to stop feeling like YouTube is random, if you want to build a faceless channel with structure, patience, and real understanding, this is exactly where you should be. Subscribe, not because I promise fast results, but because I'll help you build something that actually lasts. And if this video helped you see YouTube differently, leave a comment with the word clarity. It lets me know this content is reaching the right people. And it tells YouTube to keep showing you more of what matters. I'll see you in the next one.